Hey, what's going on? My name is Josh Carter. I am a personal trainer and a gym owner and a lifelong lifter. And when you do all that stuff, you get a little bit of inflammation. So what I want to show you today is that I just got my Movida shipment, and I love it because it's like Christmas when I get these. And I wanted to show you what I ordered and why here. All right. All right. First of all, I need to get a trash can here. What's cool, I gotta say, I give them kudos because they use these biodegradable peanuts. I think they're made out of corn or something. My kids actually like to eat them. I think they're crazy. All right. So, first, oh, it's all wrapped up. I have the CBD oil capsules, right? 40 milligrams. That's the big boy right there. See, I got a lot. I've got some shoulder injuries. I got elbow, knee. I lift a lot, and when you do that, you're going to get injuries. And this is the good stuff, and it makes taking CBD super easy because they come in these little gel caps, super easy to swallow, and it's got it all right there. So I find them very convenient, and they're in these beautiful black glass containers, so it keeps them protected from light and from heat. So that's cool. I take those every single day. Next, I got this, which is the highest quality that I've ever seen, MSM. And you can see that word there, which is what MSM stands for, that I can't pronounce. But basically, it helps feed your joints the raw materials it needs to help repair and restructure themselves. And I take one of these in the morning and one of these at night. I don't recall if you're supposed to take it with food or not. I just kind of take it whenever, both of those times, and I don't have a problem with it. Absolutely joint gold right here. Last, we got a couple of things. So I've got two other things in here. This one is, well, let me make sure I unwrap it first. Okay, so I got a little bit more. Show them to you both at the same time. So this is the CBD 1600, which is again the big boy. It's essentially the same as this. It should be 40 milligrams a dropper, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, a full dropper is 40 milligrams, which is the same as this. This I can just use on the go, or I can also do microdosing, right? Because sometimes during the day, if I'm feeling a little bit stressed out, because for me, primarily, the reason I took CBD was for my physical inflammation and stuff. But you know what? Like everybody, I get super stressed over whatever, life, right? It gets you. And so I can take like a half dropper of this in the middle of the day, whenever I want. Pretty much tasteless, no big deal. And within literally moments, I feel it's not like a narcotic effect where you feel wiggy. It's just a kind of cool and calm, almost focused feeling that you can feel almost instantly. And this one, it's basically the same thing, just a lesser dose, not quite as concentrated. And my son is using this. My son has some issues with depression and a couple other things, and he finds this stuff helps quite a bit. So we do this all the time. So another thing that I didn't order because I'm not out of is the roll-on CBD, which topical, and it comes in this little it's a little bit bigger than, like, this is like a chapstick. It's a little bit bigger than that. I just still have some. It's actually, do I have it here? No, I think I got it in my other gym bag. And I use that because occasionally I get little joint things, like my thumb was bugging me, and I could just roll it on the thumb, rub it in a little bit, and within a couple days it was feeling better. So I can't recommend Movida CBD stuff enough, and technically the MSM as well. It is of the highest quality. I use it, and I kid you not, I use it every single day. And since I've been using it, because I went to the orthopedist and because my shoulder was really bugging me, and he said, "Yeah, you should stop lifting." I was like, "Man, that's not happening, right?" So Al from Movida talked to me, and he said, "Hey, give this a shot and let me know what you think." And I have been sold ever since. So I will not go without it, because I love what I do. I love my life. I love to be able to lift. I love to be able to go be active. I'm 48, man, and sometimes things don't work like they used to. This helps me maintain my active lifestyle and keep doing what I love. So hope that was helpful. All right, talk to you later.